Okay, well,
like
hi
the title.
guys! Today we're doing an actual unboxing instead of just unboxing it because I'm too lazy to do a video and not showing you. But, I got another Shalike off my dad's credit card because I stole it. Anyway, open! Oh, it's a boy. Okay, so we have this lovely Shalike. Very realistic. Not a weirdo. I dyed my hair. I didn't tell you guys because my camera was like broken because Macy threw it out the window. Anyway.
Liar.
No, I just need to do that. No, you ruined it. Okay, she didn't throw out the window. I was just too lazy to do a video. Okay, but I got a Shalike now for you guys. Are you happy?
We'll not look at you.
You happy?
No.
I'm doing a YouTube. Be quiet!
tell me to stop.
Just slowly dying in my room. Anyway.
Oh no! I fell off the world.
Open! Can you get this tag? Get this tag off you. Ow. Don't do that to my nail. Anyway, I dyed my hair and I didn't tell my YouTube channel. And this won't give it justice. It's like very purple. AKC.
Yeah. Shh.
Time to use my teeth.
You need to tell Leo to shut up, Willow. He won't shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up. Leo.
Where? Can't find my scissors.
Then be quiet.
Anyway, we have this very nice Shalike. Casey, what can we call this boy? I have Casey on
It's a
FaceTime.
boy.
Yeah, it's a boy. I checked.
We're gonna call it Unwanted One.
I know, I have a list of Shalike names just chilling in my bed.
Oh no!
Don't question
Oh,
it. I'm gonna go check them in the next video. But put name suggestions down in the comments below. Don't mind what I'm doing. My fence fell. Oh, and Nugget had destroyed the bottom corner. I can't speak words. Nugget destroyed the bottom corner of my door. It's literally broken. Anyway, I counted my Shalike. I have 373. And I have another Shalike, so 374. And 2 weeks of my birthday, so I'll have the power soon to make you like and subscribe to my channel, if you aren't already. So, yeah. Comment suggestions what to name this Shalike horse boy thing. Yeah, it's a boy. Anyway, bye!